the strategy can help them to make. You can see, guys, we're moving in the profit. Parabolic is right here. This one, click on it, and you need to fill in everything as you see on the screen, even the color. Make sure everything's the same. My people, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today guys, I want to give you guys the settings for the strategy for the last time. So guys, as you can see here guys, you can see that I'm looking the market on 15-minute time frame. All right, and I find this entry guys, it's ready to be taken. As you can see, the market went to the strong buy right here, you know what I'm saying, and then shoot up. Is now going up all the way to this point right here. And I say, for me guys, this is a beautiful signal. I love it. So before I start sharing the settings, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you wish to join the free Telegram group, the link is on description below. So join, let's make money. Remember guys, I'm giving these strategies guys for this who doesn't know how to use the plus action, you know what I'm saying, so that the strategy can help them to make money, you know what I'm saying, so that they can be able to start making money using the strategy. Because remember guys, when you still don't understand how to use the chart, it's very difficult for you to find the entry. So this strategy right here, they help beginners and others, all this who doesn't have experience in the market. Because the good thing about the strategy is it's also helping me to find out which type of the market I must focus on, right? So they also gonna help you as a beginner, because all you need is to follow what I said in a video, and then you do the same thing. You apply the strategy same as I did in your mobile phone, and then you wait. When you see this moving average, they reach at the levels that I told you. Like once this moving average they reach at this point, you must buy the currency. Once you find this moving averages they already reach at this point, you must sell the currency. So this is the only thing you need, you know what I'm saying. You don't have to focus in on many things. So this is where the strategy helps beginners, you know what I'm saying. But I would recommend you also to learn more about how to use the price action, because I also teaching you guys everything, you know what I'm saying. As you know guys, I'm a strategy provider, and I'm a price action trader. So as you can see guys, we trying to get to the profit right now. I'm done. This is my, you know, I'm done guys. So I'm done guys taking my trades, you know, say I'm done taking my trades. So now let's wait, but I'm gonna put my stop loss as well somewhere here, you know, say I'm gonna put my stop loss somewhere here, and then I'm gonna wait, you know, say I'm gonna wait. My first take profit guys is going to be here, this one right here. Let me show you on the chart. It's going to be this one right here. This one is going to be my first take profit, and my stop loss is going to be somewhere here. So this is 1 to 2, all right. This is going to be 1 to 2. So you risk 1 to make 2. That's how you do. That's how you do the business, right? So guys, let me share the settings with you guys for the strategy right now. So guys, before I share the settings, please subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit that like button so that the video may be able to reach more people. And also for this who wish to join the team, you might first join the free Telegram group. The link is also on the description below. You can join the free Telegram group, and then we go make this cash together as a team. What's going guys? So guys, as you can see guys, as I said, we already in a profit guys. We already in a profit. Look at this. We already in a profit guys, as I said. So guys, you can trust this strategy right here. So I was put the stop loss somewhere far away, but I'm gonna shift my stop loss somewhere here. I'm gonna put my stop loss right here, which is going to be 57,411. 57,411. 57,411. 411. Right? Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. So guys, I'm gonna share the settings with you right now, but make sure like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get the video. Again, let's get to the video. So straight guys, we're gonna place F sign right here, you know what I'm saying, just for settings. F sign. So I'm going to delete everything that you see on the screen so that the screen can be able to look like a clean, like without anything, so that we can start together by punching the settings on the chart. So let me click F sign right here. Click F sign right here. Boom. I'm gonna delete everything right now. Everything. Boom, boom. Damn. So everything now, guys, is clicked. It's deleted. You can see, guys, we're moving in the profit. You know, as I said, guys, that we're going to swing this trade all the way to this point over here. This is going to be my first take profit, anyways. So we're gonna start adding the chart. You know, on MT4 platform. So make sure you follow me. Make sure you follow me, and make sure you does things same as I'm about to show you. So F sign right here. Boom. Click F sign and click right here, main chart. Boom. So we're gonna start with the parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR is right here. This one. Click on it, and you need to fill in everything as you see on the screen. You know what I'm saying? Fill in everything as you see on the screen. All right, even the color, make sure everything's the same, and I hope you're done. All right, step 0.02, maximum 0.02, style 4 pixel, color blue, and click done here. Click done here. Boom, that one is done. So the second one is going to be MACD. All right, and we're gonna click here. Let's say you went to the chart, you're gonna click F sign. Boom, and click here. Boom, and we're looking for MACD. Let's come down. Here's the MACD, guys. MACD. Boom, MACD. Make sure you put everything the same. Everything the same. Okay, first EMA 15, slow EMA 28, MACD CMA 12, apply to close, main 4 pixel, color supposed to be this one, signal supposed to be first 4 pixel and blue. All right, after you done that, click done. All right, click done here. Boom, done. So let's check on the chart how it looks like. You can see this is how it looks like. So we're gonna click F sign again to add more settings. You feel what I'm saying? So guys, this time around we're gonna put moving average. All right, this time around we're gonna put moving average on MACD. All right, moving average on MACD. So straight up, click indicator Windows 1. All right, boom, indicator Windows 1 was done, and now we're gonna look for moving average, which is this one right here. Moving average is this one right here, and you can see everything, guys. Make sure you put everything the same, you know. So even if I didn't call it, I hope you can see them, or you can take some screenshot. I'm not rushing. I'm gonna wait for you. It's cool. All right, period 1, shift 0, you know what I'm saying, method right away, and apply to previous indicators data, and click done. Done, guys. It's right here. Click done. Let's go to the chart. Boom, you can see already put the moving average on the chart. Feel what I'm saying, on MACD. So now this time around we're gonna add the relative straight index. Let's go, baby. But listen, guys, before we continue, please click that like button. You know what I'm saying? Like this video for your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, I sacrifice a lot, guys, to make sure you guys got to what you guys want. You know what I'm saying? So click that like button, then let's continue. I trust you. I know you're done, right? Okay, cool. Let's click F sign here. F sign, you know what I'm saying? F sign, and click indicator windows word. Boom. Guys, this time around we're gonna look for relative straight index, which is this one. The relative straight index, and click on it. As you can see, guys, everything must remain the same. Do things the same. Period 1, shift 0, method 4 pixel, and color yellow. Levels, guys. These levels, guys, you must pay attention to this, to the levels. Okay, cool. The first level is going to be 89.39. Second level is going to be 49.39, and 31 is going to be 8.13. 40 is going to be 16.42. Strong buy. You know what I'm saying? You can see each and every one what it does are here. All right, I hope you got it. So after done everything, click done. All right, after, come back here. Once you've done everything, come back here, boom, and click done. All right, you can see, guys, now we have, you know, the relative straight index on the chart. You know what I'm saying? So that's the strategy, guys. That's how the strategy is supposed to look like. You know what I'm saying? In your mobile phone, this is how it's supposed to look like. So I'm gonna explain you guys when to sell and when to buy. We're using this strategy. So the strategy, guys, you can use it on 1 hour time frame. The strategy, guys, you can use it on a 15-minute time frame. You can use it on 30-minute time frame, guys. You can use the strategy on also at 5 minutes. All right, but I will recommend you from 15 to go up. So whatever you find the trade at, you must take the opportunity, right? Whatever you find the opportunity at, you must take the trade. Let's say you find the trade at level 8, you buy all the way to level 89. Once you find the trade on level 9, you sell all the way to this point right here. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you enjoyed the video, bro. I hope you enjoying the video, guys, and go make money. But please come back, share with me the testimony. Let me know how much the strategy is working for you, because I trust the strategy. The other thing, guys, when you're using this strategy, guys, you must make sure you're following the trend. As you can see, guys, every single time the market reaches this point, it's dropping, and every single time the market reach at this point right here, is buying. Right, so peace out, guys. See you on the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and this who is asking about the channel, guys, the Telegram channel is on description below. I always streaming about that, guys. So yeah, Leave the comment below. Let me know what you guys want. You know what I'm saying? Next. You know what I'm saying? Peace out.